What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be talking more about ADA or Cardano, and let's go ahead and check out the things that we need to know about this. I would also like to give you an analogy on what Cardano is. That way, it would be easier for you guys to picture out and realize what this project is really about. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, anything and everything about NFT. And before we start, guys, just a quick message for you guys. I'm not a professional advisor, and this video is purely for informational and educational purposes only. So let's get it on. Alright guys, so link to this website will be in the description of the video. This is the landing page of Cardano. We'll be checking out the website and see the most important things that you guys need to know about this one. And just to start off, guys, I wanted to give you a quick analogy on what Cardano is. Think of it as a operating system, like say for example Windows or iOS for Mac or something like that, right? Think of it as Windows operating system. Projects in the blockchain are your softwares or the applications that you install on your operating system. So it's something like that. That's a very good analogy. That way you would think that, oh, okay, so Cardano is the platform and there are different apps or softwares, working in that blockchain that are operating it. So it's a blockchain, like an operating system, and there are different apps or softwares that you can install into it. That way you can play around or use those applications. Okay, so that is a very good analogy for Cardano. So Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. Also guys, you're gonna be asking, is this something that you can mine like Ethereum? Because if you're new to crypto industry, you could have already known that there's Ethereum, right? And then Ethereum, you can mine it using the GPUs and all those good stuff, right? That was before. Is this exactly the same thing? No, it's not like that. For this one, you have proof of stake, okay? And what is the proof of stake? So it's proof of stake, and Ouroboros is the one that powers that. The most environmentally sustainable blockchain protocol. Ouroboros is the first peer-reviewed, verifiably secure blockchain protocol, and Cardano is the first blockchain to implement it. Ouroboros enables the Cardano network's decentralization and allows it to sustainably scale to global requirements without crucially compromising security. And as you guys know, in crypto, security is everything, because there's a lot of theft, there's a lot of hacking going on where millions and millions of dollars are being robbed from other blockchains and all those projects. Okay, so discover Cardano. Cardano is the first blockchain platform to be built through peer review research to be secure enough to protect the data of billions, scalable enough to accommodate global systems, and robust enough to support foundational change. Let me go ahead and show you the apps, projects that are in Cardano. So if I'll use DappRadar, and there are other websites as well that you could choose or you could use to see what projects are in certain blockchains or something like that. And you can see that here you have ETH, you have EOS, Tron, and all those good stuff. And then this one, Cardano, has this. See, there's a lot of projects revolving in the Cardano network, and majority of that are NFTs. And as you guys know, the continuous boom of NFTs is still making a lot of crypto, a lot of money revolving in the crypto universe or the metaverse. So those are your top Cardano apps. And going on to stake pool delegation. What is stake pool delegation? So ADA held on the Cardano network represents a stake in the network with the size of the stake proportional to the amount of ADA held. ADA, by the way, guys, is your token. And I will show you later an exchange. I'll show you an exchange where you could see the ADA token right there, along with the top tokens that you guys might have already known. So now there are two ways an ADA holder can earn rewards. So by delegating their stake to a stake pool run by someone else, okay? Or running their own stake pool. Amount of stake delegated to given stake pool is the primary way the Ouroboros protocol chooses who should add the next block to the blockchain and receives a monetary reward for doing so. The more stake is delegated to a stake pool up to a certain point, the more likely it is to make the next block. And the rewards are shared between everyone who delegated their stake to the stake pool. So what is stake delegation? Delegation is the process by which ADA holders delegate the stake associated with their ADA to stake pool. It allows ADA holders to have the skills or desire to run a node to participate in the network and be rewarded in portion to the amount of stake delegated. Also, ways for you guys to earn in like staking, purchasing your ADA tokens and then staking it in the network. So that is one thing that you could earn crypto or ADA perhaps for this project. So staking is one of the things that you could do for you to earn in this blockchain. Okay, so Cardano wallets delegation is supported by Daedalus, a full node wallet developed by IOHK and Yoroi, a browser-based wallet developed by Amuro. To learn more, you can select either wallet here, so Daedalus and then Yoroi. Tower staking calculator to see how much ADA you could be rewarded for delegating to a stake pool. So you can go ahead and check this one out, guys. Anyway, all of the links, the important links, will be in the description of the video. Now, before we head on to their Twitter account, let me go ahead and head on. This is Binance, guys. And by the way, Cardano ADA is basically on almost all of the major exchanges out there. That's how big this Cardano is. So you see here, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have USDT, BNB, XRP, BSD, and then ADA right there. So you can go ahead and check that out. Of course, do your own research. You know for a fact that crypto is volatile. You can, yes, for certain projects or investing in all those good stuff, you can earn millions on this one overnight for crypto. But worst comes to worst, hopefully it does not happen to you. You can get bankrupt in a snap. So when you invest wisely, always do your own research, and of course, master the art of technical analysis. That way you don't just make the trading or the investing in crypto like gambling, always relying on luck alone for you to get money. So 99% of the time you might lose money instead of gain more money out of that. Okay, so also guys, this is their Twitter account. You can go ahead and check out their Twitter account, follow and click that notification bell. That way when anything, an announcement or an update goes out about Cardano, you will definitely be notified. And mind you guys, all of those announcements and updates may or may not affect the price action of the ADA token. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you check out their social, subscribe, follow, and do what you have to do for you guys for it to give you an informed decision when you do your trades. Okay, on GitHub, so you see that Cardano, you have a whole lot of other coins there. You have Polkadot, you have Ethereum. Others also address ADA or Cardano as the Ethereum killer. I don't know if that's gonna be the case, but as you guys know, if you are following or being updated with all of the latest things in crypto, Ethereum had a major migration just recently, just a couple of weeks I think, wherein right now they are similar to what Cardano's doing right now. It's not mining anymore, okay, so it's proof of stake. So the stakeholders or the stakers are the ones earning from the network. So that's good because, again, you can't just rely on the mining alone. It would definitely be better if you have stakers buying tokens and supporting the project legitimately instead of just people buying the GPUs and all those stuff to mine and then earn from what they're doing. So I would definitely go with proof of stake instead of the mining. So if you are new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, check out the channel as well. There are a lot of things that you can go ahead and check out, a lot of projects out there that you could also, learn a lot of things from it, checking out what the YouTubers or the influencers that you're watching has to say about the project. But don't just rely on that. Always go out there, check out the socials yourself, check out the community, what they have to say about it, check out the news, and then, you know, from there, you could make an informed decision. All right. So I'll end the video right here. I will see you on the next, guys. I'm out. Peace.